How many speakers are in each door?
I think 16 or something like that.
Damn. This thing is ridiculous. Oh my God, look at this. You don't even know. That ain't even a mirror. That's like speakers all the way to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 18s?
Yes, sir.
God damn.
12, 15s. Sorry.
12 15s? Oh my lord, they look like 18s. Those things are huge looking. God damn. Oh shit. Let's see. Oh my God. I've never seen nothing like this in person.
Both sides. There's some. Oops!
Wow. Oh, you don't want to get all this stuff wet, man.
3 seconds.
Yeah, it's raining now, you guys. These guys are over here getting their stuff wet just to show it to me. My camera's getting wet too, so I'm gonna bring this in here in a second. That's crazy. How much power are you pushing in this thing, man?
So for the subs we have 855 case, and for mids and highs about 20 keys more
855Ks on the base.
on the base, right? And about 20 keys more for everything.
So what
else.
are we looking at like here? 70,000 watts? 70,000? Something like that?
Nobody knows. Exactly.
Nobody knows. It's just a lot. God damn. Look at that.
There's like a whole PC in there, you know, to be able to run the turntables and everything.
Nice. I love it, man.